Welcome to this tutorial on Get-ADUser, one of the most essential PowerShell Cmdlets for managing Active Directory environments. Get-ADUser allows you to query and retrieve information about user accounts in your Active Directory domain. Whether you need to find a single user, search for multiple users based on specific criteria, or extract detailed user properties, this Cmdlet is your go-to tool. By mastering Get-ADUser, you'll be able to efficiently manage user accounts, troubleshoot access issues, and automate user-related tasks in your organization. Get-ADUser is a PowerShell Cmdlet that retrieves user objects from Active Directory. It serves three primary purposes. First, it allows you to query and search for Active Directory users using various criteria like username, display name, or distinguished name. Second, it provides access to detailed user properties and attributes such as email addresses, department information, job titles, and account status. Third, it enables you to automate user management tasks by integrating with other PowerShell Cmdlets. This makes it an indispensable tool for system administrators working with Active Directory. The basic syntax of Get-ADUser is straightforward. You use the Cmdlet name Get-ADUser, followed by the identity parameter and the username you want to retrieve. The identity parameter specifies which user account you're looking for. This is the simplest form of the command and is perfect when you need to quickly look up information about a specific user in your Active Directory environment. There are multiple ways to retrieve a single user with Get-ADUser. You can use the SAM account name, which is the user's login name, like JSmith. You can also use the display name, such as John Smith, which is the user's full name as it appears in Active Directory. Finally, you can use the distinguished name, which is the complete path to the user object in Active Directory, like CN equals John Smith, OU equals users, DC equals domain, DC equals com. Each method is valid, and you can choose the one that's most convenient for your situation. To retrieve all users in your Active Directory, you use the filter parameter with an asterisk. The asterisk acts as a wildcard that matches all user objects. You can also narrow down your search by using the SearchBase parameter to specify a particular organizational unit. For example, if you only want users from the sales department, you can set the SearchBase to OU equals sales, DC equals domain, DC equals com. This is extremely useful when working with large organizations that have users organized in different organizational units. Get-ADUser becomes much more powerful when you use conditional filters. You can filter users based on whether their accounts are enabled or disabled by using enabled equals true. You can find all users in a specific department by using department equals it. You can also use wildcard patterns with the like operator, such as name like John asterisk, which will return all users whose names start with John. These filtering capabilities allow you to create precise queries that return exactly the users you need, making your Active Directory management much more efficient. By default, Get-ADUser only returns a limited set of properties. To access additional information, you need to use the properties parameter. If you want all available properties, you can use an asterisk with the properties parameter. If you only need specific properties like email address, you can specify just that property name. You can also request multiple properties at once by listing them separated by commas, such as department, title. This is important because retrieving only the properties you need improves performance, especially when querying large numbers of users. Let's recap the key points. First, use the identity parameter when you need to query a single user by their username, display name, or distinguished name. Second, use the filter parameter when you want to search for multiple users based on specific criteria or conditions. Third, always remember to specify the properties parameter when you need to access extended attributes beyond the default properties. These three fundamental concepts will help you effectively use Get-ADUser in your daily Active Directory management tasks.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.